Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Scan and Go payment feature on Walmart. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Walmart application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and password or your other credentials to log in. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the shop page from which you can make various different purchases. Now, in order to use the Scan and Go feature, to make your payments, tap on the Services tab at the bottom right corner. From this page, you will see the Scan and Go option. Go ahead and tap on it, and if you haven't already signed up for Walmart Plus, you will be asked to sign up. You can tap on the Try for Free button, and you will be asked to make your payment by using your registered payment method or by adding one. You can agree to the terms by tapping on the checkbox and then click on Start Your Free 30-day trial button. And once your payment has been deducted, your subscription will start right away, and you will be able to use the Scan and Go feature in an instant. And there you have it. That is how you can use the Scan and Go feature on Walmart. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.